three. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today we're going to make some rolled filet espetadas with awesome ingredients inside. Stay tuned. Right guys, let's get straight into it. We've got a beautiful fillet, also called a fillet, depending where you're in the world. Whole fillet here in front of us, which we're going to cut in 3 pieces. We're going to try and cut it as thin as possible, roll it out, put beautiful ingredients inside, like roll mops, on the skewers, on the fire. We've got some ingredients, let me introduce you. Over here we've got some streaky bacon. We've got some homemade dough, which I will leave somewhere in the screen for you to have a look at. We also have beautiful homemade sauce. Same story, I'll leave it in the screen for you. Got some salted butter, ground pepper, some salt, and beautiful mixed barbecue spice, and then a fresh lemon. We've got some red onions, which we'll also incorporate in this beautiful dish. Don't forget, a whole fillet like this, if your butcher hasn't done that yet, you'll have to clean it up. So let's start with that. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I'm just going to give you an idea how it works. There you go. You want to do it as close to the skin so you don't waste your meat. Once you've cleaned your fillet, you're ready to go to the next step, which we're going to cut pieces like that. So let's do that. Okay, so what we've done here is we have cut the fillet into thin strips. It doesn't have to be perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of pepper and some salt, a little bit of barbecue spice. I'm going to add some streaky bacon, because remember, it's a very lean cut of meat, this fillet. So this is our fat that's going to give it flavor, and I think this is going to work perfectly with this dish. Right, then we're going to roll it. Don't want to make it too thick, just a turn and a half, I'd say over there. Then we're going to give it a cut. Make sure your knife is nice and sharp. There you go. Beautiful. And we're going to continue doing exactly the same. As you can see, they're all rolled already. What we're going to do now is cut them in about 1.5 inch sizes. It doesn't have to be that perfect. We've done with the rolling. You see I've cut them up 1.5 inch size roll mops, if you want to call it that. Now it's time to put them on the skewers. So there you got it guys, some rolled filet espetadas with some bacon inside and spices. And we're not done yet. This is only the start. Let's do this. You can just smell those spices and the bacon. It's amazing. Some lemon juice on our espetadas. Our homemade sauce and some onions, red onions for a little bit of crispiness. And then our espetada. Top it off with some more sauce. Look at that beautiful rolled fillet, bacon spices, espetada on a sub, homemade sub. Should we try it out? Yeah? Beautiful sauce. And the meat. Outstanding, guys. Have a look at that guy. Absolutely fantastic. Right, shall we have one of the pieces of meat on its own? We'll have to try it out, eh? Wow. Look there. Still medium inside. Exactly what we want. Oh, that bacon is coming through. Absolutely divine. Guys, if you like what we're doing here, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload new video. Thanks for watching. We can't do this without you guys. See you next time. Cheers.